Assalamu alaikum dear students. Yesterday we discussed packing efficiency. In today's class we will be discussing packing efficiency in simple cubic arrangement. So in case of simple cubic arrangement, the unit cell is simple cubic unit cell. That is, the constituent particles in this type of packing are present only at the corners of the unit cell. And you must remember that the constituent particles at the corners are touching each other. So in this very case, edge of the unit cell can be taken equal to twice radius of the constituent particle. So R of constituent particle at one corner plus R of constituent particle at the adjacent corner gives us the edge length A. So in this case, it's very simple correlation between edge length and radius. So in case of simple cubic unit cell, the edge length and radius, they are simply related as A is equal to twice R, right? So we know that packing efficiency is volume of the constituent particles that are present in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell multiplied by 100. So we'll first see what is the number of constituent particles in the simple cubic unit cell and what is the volume of those constituent particles that are in the simple unit cell, and then we'll divide this volume by total volume of unit cell and multiply it by 100. We'll get packing efficiency. So the volume of cubic unit cell will be A cube. So as A is equal to twice R, so A cube will be equal to twice R cube, and it will be equal to 8R cube. Cube is actually on 2 as well as on R, so it's twice R whole cube. So this will become 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 R cube. So in case of simple cubic unit cell, number of constituent particles per unit cell is 1. As we treat constituent particles as solid spheres, the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Hence the volume of the unit cell that's occupied by the constituent particle will be 4 by 3 pi R cube, as there is only one constituent particle in the unit cell. As one corner contributes 1 by 8 and 8 corners will contribute 1 by 8 into 8, that's 1. So the packing efficiency will be equal to volume occupied by constituent particles divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. That's equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by 8 R cube into 100. So when you solve this, it becomes 52.36%. So in case of simple cubic arrangement, the packing efficiency is 52.36 and it's approximately taken equal to 52.4%. So we can say that the efficiency of simple cubic arrangement is not that much. So this is less efficient type of packing.